Hey guys, welcome back to the channel channel. So today we are making a very realistic aloe vera gel. Well, this is how we make it in our house after reading and after following all the instructions from the internet. So I'm going to show you how I make aloe vera gel. Well, you need aloe vera gel in your house. You can add it in your various homemade masks. You can add it in whatever, skin, hair, for hair, skin. You don't have to use it every day, but sometimes, sometimes in a week, sometimes in 2 weeks. So this is how I actually make aloe vera gel in home, because I don't buy aloe vera gel because I think that it's a waste of money. That's why I make pure fresh aloe vera gel, and how I make I'm going to show you. So let's get started. So the first step of making that aloe vera gel is taking aloe vera leaves. Yes, I actually take 2 aloe vera leaves, because I actually use fresh aloe vera gel, so it's better to take just 2 leaves, two very small leaves, because you don't need to waste that aloe vera gel by keeping it for like 4 months. No, we are not keeping for like 4 months. We are just keeping it for 1 week, max 2 weeks. No, not even 2 weeks, max 1.5 week. My aloe vera gel never lasts for like 2 weeks. It lasts for max 1.5 week. So, and that also I don't use every day. Step 2 is keeping the aloe vera leaves in water. I like to keep it for a few hours in water, because I think that in that way it's just everything is gone into that water. Even if there is like keeda makora, whatever, everything is gone into that water. You can like clean it under running water, and then you can keep it in fresh water, but I like to keep it in fresh water for at least 4 to 5 hours. And then we are moving on to the next step. Step 3 is taking out the gel. You need a knife, you need that aloe vera leaf. You have to cut that aloe vera leaf from the upper part, the middle gel. You need to take that gel. Yes, you need to squeeze out, take out every gel in it, fresh gel. Now step 4 is pouring that gel into the mixer grinder. Well, you need to grind it. So the next step is taking a beautiful bowl or any container. I like to take airtight container, and I got this container from Horlicks as a free. It's a free gift from Horlicks. Well, see, I don't have any like airtight container available for my aloe vera gel specially, so I asked my mom if I can take it or not, and she said yes, do whatever you want to do with it. So I took it, and it's my aloe vera container. Clean it nicely. Every time, I know, like, if you are thinking that I always put aloe vera gel in it, but clean it every time, okay? So the cleaning step is not shown, but clean it, and then you pour that aloe vera gel, and then keep it in the freeze. You can keep it in the deep freeze. If you want aloe vera ice cubes, you can rub it in you can rub it in every morning. You will feel really very fresh. It's a way. Also, you can keep it in simple freezer, and you can apply it on your face and on your hair. So this was very simple, not so aesthetic, very pleasing recipe of aloe vera gel. I know you will find it everywhere on the internet. What's different in mine was it's more realistic, I think. Maybe not, maybe yes. Well, kind of. So yeah, this was my recipe of making aloe vera gel. If you don't know, aloe vera gel is really very good. You need to keep it. Don't go to the market to buy aloe vera gel. You can just buy 2 plants and plant it in your garden, if you have any, or plant it in any pot, and just take the leaves and make aloe vera gel. It's very simple, and it's very easy. So I would suggest you do in that way. It's better, it's also saving you money. This is my beautiful recipe of DIY, no, the most realistic DIY aloe vera gel. How to make aloe vera gel at home without getting slaps from your mom. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Did you subscribe yet? No. Okay, listen. Subscribe. Subscribe, comment. Make sure to leave a like and leave a comment. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.